Why staying home is the best thing you can do. There's a moment in every man's life when the world feels loud, too chaotic, too demanding. And yet, the greatest transformation often begins in the quietest place, your own home. People think power is built by being everywhere, talking to everyone, constantly staying busy. But Stoicism teaches the opposite. A man becomes strongest when he withdraws, not to escape the world, but to master himself before re-entering it. Today, I'll show you why staying home, even for a while, can be the most powerful life-changing decision you ever make. 1. You escape the noise and reconnect with yourself. The world is full of noise, opinions, drama, expectations. When you stay home intentionally, you disconnect from all that noise and reconnect with your own thoughts. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Nowhere can a man find a quieter place than within his own soul." Home becomes your sanctuary. Your thoughts become clearer. Your decisions become wiser. You finally hear your own voice, not the world. 2. You build the discipline others lack. Most people need constant stimulation. They're addicted to movement, distractions, and social validation. When you choose to stay home, you're training a rare skill, self-discipline. You learn how to sit with your thoughts. You learn how to stay focused without distractions. You learn the strength of delayed gratification. Seneca said, "To be everywhere is to be nowhere." Staying home teaches you to be fully present, focused, and grounded, something few people ever master. 3. You outgrow people who drain your energy. When you spend time alone, something interesting happens. You start to notice who drains you and who nourishes you. Distance reveals truth. You realize who only calls when they need something, who is negative or jealous, who distracts you from your goals, who brings chaos into your life. Staying home gives your mind the space to understand who actually belongs in your life. This is how you protect your peace. This is how you build a circle that supports your growth. 4. You gain the power of emotional independence. Most people rely on others for entertainment, validation, and happiness. But when you stay home, you learn a different kind of strength. Self-sufficiency, emotional independence, quiet confidence. Epictetus taught that freedom begins when you no longer depend on anything outside your control, especially people. At home, you build a strong emotional core that no one can shake. 5. You improve your skills without distractions. This is the biggest advantage. Your home becomes your training ground, your personal dojo. You learn, you read, you build, you create, you develop skills quietly while the rest of the world is wasting time. Every great thinker, philosopher, writer, and leader spent long hours alone in deep work. Your home gives you the perfect space to transform yourself into a sharper, smarter, more capable version of who you are. 6. You save your energy for what actually matters. When you go out constantly, your energy leaks into nonsense, drama, gossip, pointless conversations, social pressure, noise, chaos. But when you stay home, your energy becomes focused, contained, strong. You learn to say no. You learn to keep your circle small. You learn to protect what matters. Your energy becomes a weapon sharpened, not wasted. 7. You become comfortable with solitude, the mark of a strong man. Weak men fear being alone. Strong men embrace it. Solitude is where your mind grows. It's where your purpose becomes clear. It's where your emotional strength increases. When you stay home and learn to enjoy your own company, you unlock a level of confidence most people will never experience. You stop chasing people. You stop craving attention. You stop needing validation. You become whole on your own. Staying home isn't about hiding from the world. It's about preparing yourself to return to it stronger, wiser, and more disciplined. This is how you rebuild your mind. This is how you protect your peace. This is how you rise quietly while everyone else is distracted. When you strengthen the world inside you, the world outside can no longer shake you. This is the path of Stoicism. This is the path of inner mastery. This is the path of a man who controls his life, not the other way around. This is Stoic true wisdom.